Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Inova Health System step by step clearly. To register for Inova Health System, begin by visiting the official Inova website. Look for the patient registrations section on the home page. Click on the link to access the registration page. You will be prompted to choose between online registration and in-person registration. For online registration, click the Register Online button. Fill in the required personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and contact details. Provide your insurance information, including the name of your insurance provider and policy number. Make sure to review the privacy policy and accept the terms and conditions. Once all fields are completed, click the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your registration has been successful. If you prefer in-person registration, locate the nearest Inova facility. Prepare your documents, including identification, insurance card, and medical history. Upon arrival, proceed to the registration desk. Inform the staff that you are there to register as a new patient. Complete the necessary forms provided by the registration staff. Once you have finished, submit the forms to the staff for processing. You will be given an appointment date or additional instructions as needed. Keep any documentation provided for your records. Follow any further steps shared by the registration team. You are now prepared to receive care at Inova Health System. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.